guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm gonna be unboxing some products from Rebdolls. I'm actually gonna do this unboxing, my raw reaction in the next video, but I actually got a couple of packages before that you guys haven't got to see yet. If you're not following me on Instagram or on TikTok, that's why you weren't able to see some of these products that I received. So I'm gonna do this haul a little bit differently. I'm gonna show you the products right here in front of me and then side by side what it looks like on my body. I can't wait to get to it. If you guys enjoy these sort of videos, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you see all my fire videos. And I'll make sure to link in the description box all the products that I receive. So let's get into it. Absolutely love Rebdolls. You guys know I love Rebdolls. I've been doing Rebdolls hauls for years. And I was lucky enough to get like 2 packages for them for the holidays. Obviously, the holidays are over, but some of these evening gowns, dresses are good for other things outside of like holiday parties. So that's why I'm so excited to share with you all these amazing dresses. And I cannot wait to get into that other box because, guys, you already know. First things first, we have this really cute sequin button-down dress. It's so cute. It's super shiny. I got this in a 2X only because I have a big bust. When you have a bigger bust, it's hard to like button things. I don't know if I regret getting it in a bigger bust because I feel like it fit nice, but sometimes it's like I want it to feel fit to my body, and like when putting this on is a little bit looser than what I would like. But you know what? It's a different look. It's different than what I would do. My one guy friend really doesn't like this outfit on me, but I do. It has extra buttons here, so just in case one of the buttons fly off, but I think this is like really cute. It fit me perfectly, and like I said, it wasn't quite fitted to my body as much as I would like. And to be quite honest, like wearing big belts and accessories like that are not really my thing, so I'm not going to do anything to make it look better because I wanted to have that loose flowy feel. It comes like above my knee, so this one is something that I probably could only wear on New Year's. Unless I have like an influencer event, I don't see where else I would be able to wear this. Matching red skirt and top. I actually got this top in a 2X, which is a size up from my regular size. It's a 14-16, but I should have went up again because I do have a really big bust. So the buttons were kind of like coming through, or you could see like the hole in between each button because my chest just spreads out everything. But you can tie it in a particular way that works out really well. The material is really soft and buttery. I love the shine. I love how it's like a blue red. You know, there's different types of reds. There's like orange red and blue reds. I love a blue red. The only reason why it looks a little bit more on the orange yellow red is because of the ring light, but in real life it's like a blue red. This skirt I got true to size and it fit perfectly, and that's because it does have a stretchy waistband here, which is really nice. So this is probably the outfit that I recommend everybody getting. Like, that's the one. If you're into crop tops and you like matching sets, I was telling my friend that I really wanted to get matching sets. Rebdolls is like perfect for that. They have so many matching sets. You can mix and match. You can wear just the top with jeans. You can wear the skirt with a different top. But if you just want to make your life easier, you could just get a matching set. Love that. This has to be one of the favorite dresses that I got in the package as well. This one is like a sleeveless tube top dress. It has ruching in the front, but it also has ruching in the back. So the cool thing about ruching is I have a flat butt. So when you have a flat butt, this makes it look like you have a booty. As long as you have like a great strapless bra, this is gonna look fire on you. Not only that, I really like the color. It's not just black, it's like a black and gold number. And I can see myself wearing this on multiple occasions, whether it's a wedding, whether it's an evening out, whether it's a cocktail party. There's so many reasons why I would be able to wear this dress, and that's what I love about this the most, is that I know I'll have an opportunity to wear it. As opposed to the pink one, I can't think of an occasion. Like I said, unless I'm going to an influencer event, I can't think of another occasion where I'd wear that, even though it's really, really pretty and different. This, however, is simple. It will fit any body type, and it's really stretchy, so you don't have to worry about whether it's gonna fit you or not. So as long as you get the right size, you should be okay. So this dress is one of Rebdolls' most popular dresses. It's gotten sold out multiple times. It is very stretchy. It's very different. It's more like a blue black. It's not just like a true black. It is a different type of material. I wouldn't say it's soft. It's like a stretchy material. I don't know how to explain it. I like the sparkles. I like the way it looks, but the back is open. So if you're a little bit insecure about your back, maybe it's not the right thing for you. But what I will say is that I do have a lot of back fat, and this covered up a lot of my back fat, and it only showed the parts of my back that I actually do like my lower back. So this worked out really cute, really stretchy. I feel like anybody at any size could wear this, and again, this could be for multiple occasions. Evening out. It's not too dressy where you're like, where am I gonna wear this? Like I said, it's one of their most popular dresses. It's gotten sold out, and they just put it back on their website. So if you're looking for something cute with sleeves, like maybe you're insecure about your arms, love that about this dress. But it's definitely a very good cop. Like if you're not sure where you're gonna wear it, but you might need a dress one day, love this. I can see myself wearing this to a wedding, a party. There's just so many occasions, but it's really comfortable, and I actually felt really pretty wearing it. So this dress right here is like an evening gown. It is like mermaid style. It has really cool gems right here where on your shoulder, where your shoulder goes. And so it kind of dresses it up really well. But to me, it made me feel like Cinderella. I don't know if you can see it like in my face when I'm doing the modeling portion of this. I'm literally glowing. I'm so happy. It fits my body. It has the perfect stretch. It hits every hip, every curve. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I am obsessed with this dress. I got this in a 2X, so it is, I did go up a size, so but because I went up a size, it fit my chest perfectly, and it fit the rest of my body nicely. It made my butt look nice. It gave me shape. I am obsessed with this. So if, like I said, if you have an event that you need to go to and you're not 100% sure what you're gonna wear, like this is perfect for like a black tie wedding, a black tie event where you have to wear an evening gown, a charity event. Y'all, like you do not want to miss out on this dress. Like this is the most beautiful I felt in a really long time, and I don't think it's very expensive, which I love. Imagine looking like $1 million, but for like a low price point, right? This is why I love Rebdolls, because they go to the extent to make sure that their products look good on different body types. I feel like every body type would look good in this. And it made me think, like when I get married, I never thought of myself to wear like mermaid style clothing, but now I'm like, I think I want my wedding dress to be mermaid style. Like I never thought about it, but this looked so good on me that it changed my whole perspective. So that's the first half of this haul. If you liked any of them, make sure you comment below which one's your favorite so far. I definitely know that the evening gown, the silver evening gown, is my favorite. I do have 5 more to go, but don't forget to smash that like button because your support means everything to me. There's not a lot of people doing hauls on YouTube anymore, and I'm keeping to the roots. I just want to make sure that there's representation with people with big busts, big bodies. I am a size 16, 1X typically, but depending on the clothes, I will go up or down. And like I said, I'll link everything in the description box. Let's keep going. So this is my second favorite product, y'all. I love this dress. This dress is a sweater dress with sleeves. I love an outfit with sleeves. I love the white collar. I love the light buttons, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. So if you want to wear like a cute little red boot that can peek out, you can. Guys, this is the one. I've been trying to go out to somewhere like nice, formal, but not too formal, like a dinner, a date, or something like that, so I could wear this. And I've had, oh, there's a stain on the freaking collar. I'm gonna have to wipe that off, but I have been waiting for an opportunity to wear this dress forever. All right, this is the one you want to cop. Like if you had an office job, you can even wear this to the office. You could dress it up, dress it down. Like y'all, I love this outfit, and like I said, I've been waiting for opportunity. I actually have an influencer event. It's like a vision board party next week, so I probably will wear like one of these outfits for it. But y'all, obsessed, love, copped, cried when I got it. So happy I got it. I can wear this to church. Guys, It is so stretchy, comfortable, and warm. So the next event that's happening in the winter, I probably would have to wear this next week because the winter is going away fast, and I feel like this would be a cute outfit to wear to the event. So I'm so excited, but this is like a must buy. Like if you're looking for something casual, cute, must buy. I feel like I have 3 must buys. This is one of them. We have this really, really cute black and red dress. This is gorgeous. It doesn't have much stretch, okay guys? So just be very careful and mindful of that. I actually got this dress in a 2X. Maybe I just am a 2X in Rebdolls because majority of the clothes that I got were in a 2X. But the straps are adjustable on this dress. I believe I didn't wear a bra when I tried it on. I think it's very important sometimes to try things on without bras first. And because the straps are super thin, I didn't want to wear a bra. And you can tie it in the back. My friend was here and he tied it in like a crisscross type of way, which made it really nice. And yeah, it was a beautiful dress. I think this was his favorite one that I wore. It has like a swoop in the front. And it's just beautiful colors. Like red is a power color. If you ever want to feel super confident, powerful, if you wear a really powerful, bold red, you'll feel confident and everybody in the room will look at you like, you know what you're talking about. All right. So this one probably was maybe my least favorite product that I got. I love how fashionista it is. I love how 70s it is, a 70s style. Even like the way the cups are is giving a deja vu, Beyonce. It's giving just different. It just didn't fit me. I would have to get this altered for it to look good on my body, which I didn't want to do that, but if I really wanted to, if I have to, I can get it altered. So I would go up a size for the breast and then get the rest of it taken in. But it was still a really gorgeous dress. It has low stretch. It doesn't have much crazy stretch, so you just want to look out for that. But it's a gorgeous color. I kind of wish that this dress or this material came in the mermaid style because I actually like this color. I think it's like super bold, beautiful, bright. I love how just shiny and gorgeous it is. I would have liked that in the mermaid style, but you know, it's nice to have options. And I probably could dress this down if I want. I'd probably wear like a cowboy boot and a jacket and make it look like fashion, but my chest is just so big, guys. And that's really the struggle, and that's why I started my channel, because nobody looks like me in the pictures online. So I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna be my own model. Okay guys, we have 2 more products. I really like this next one. I love the color. Green is actually my favorite color, so let's get into that. Green matching set. It has a top and a bottom. The waistband on this matching set again is stretchy. You also could probably go true to size on this product. Yep, I was right. I got this in a 1X because it is oversized. It's able to button. There's no like peekaboo with the button area at all. It's been really, really nice. I can wear this to church. I can wear this to an event. I like to stick one of the sides in, one out to make it a little bit more flattering or fashionable. I hate using the word flattering because like what's flattering, right? But I do feel a lot more better when things are, you know, fitted to my body as opposed to like loose flowy. It's just my preference, but this is so soft, super buttery, beautiful color, different from anything that you're ever gonna find anywhere, right? Especially with the material. Like, look at that. It's just like they think about everything, and the fact that the pants are the exact same way, I love. I'm so glad that you made it all the way here. We're at our last product. Again, thank you guys for watching these videos, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you like this style of video, let me know, because sometimes I like to get dressed in front of you guys like as I go, but sometimes I like to do a side-by-side comparison and just talk about each product and get all the information out so I don't forget while I'm wearing it, right? So let's get into the last outfit. So we have another matching set. It is a vest and a pant. It's like a vest suit. I got the top in a 2X, and I definitely got the bottoms in a 1 because I always will. If there's one thing I can rely on, I know that I'm always gonna fit a size 16 around my waist every time. So this was a little bit different for me. It wasn't really my style. It wasn't something I would wear on a regular basis, but I know that I feel like I could dress it up. You can also adjust the back, which really made a difference. After I adjusted this and tightened this, it made the whole outfit look a little bit better. I looked a little bit more put together, but it's not really my thing. I want it to be my thing. I wish it was my thing, but for some people it's their thing. Like I wish I had like a white bodysuit underneath it to know if I would like it, but I'm just not 100% sure. But this is what it looked like on me, guys. Comment below about what you think about it. Should I go more that route? Is this something I should try, you know? That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way here. Please, I'll link the next video in the description box so that way you can see the unboxing of the other Rebdolls package that I got. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.